What's that noise? I have no idea. Hello and welcome to the evening of the 12th of August. Just over a day until we set off on our French road trip. So yeah, we are just kindly Mum has packed up loads of stuff. So thank you very much. She's sorted everything out and I will show you what we have. Hello, Walt. He's sad. You don't want us to leave.
He doesn't.
Whoa.
Oh, it's awful, isn't it? This is our tuck bag.
Yeah, because
it's gonna keep us going.
We are
Dry foods.
Yeah, we need dry foods to keep us going and loads of snacks.
Some really great mini croissants, which is appropriate for France.
We've got theme.
Fruit.
Yeah, we have got healthy stuff.
We have loads of cheese savouries, a mask, Pringles,
crisps and stuff.
Yeah, really good crisps. Plates, more crisps. Elle's got a big pack of raisins somewhere.
Where's my raisin? I think they were under there.
They were, yeah, they're there.
Raisins. I have raisins because I really like raisins. And loads of like cereal bars, just because doing it this way saves a lot of money for like unnecessary, I don't know, it just saves money when if you have it yourself, it's already in the car, or if you're hungry whilst we're driving. It's just a good snack.
Cheese twists that Walt's looking at.
Do you want that, Walt?
We're really, street waffles.
Oh, street waffles.
For the coffees that we're going to get, and hot chocolates.
We have this big thing of water.
Yeah.
That we're just gonna keep refilling throughout the journey, like at campsites and with the refillable water places.
Yeah. And obviously over 11 days this will go down and we'll just come back really probably with an empty bag. It'll be fun really.
Yeah, no, that's...
Yeah, and crepes and croissant and cheese and French bread. I had to add that. And wine. Oh, I've got the wine.
Oh, the wine.
Whoa. Oh, look, he doesn't want Mummy to go. He's really sad. He has separation anxiety and this is the first time I've left him, so I'm really hoping Tony really looks after him. It's he really feels it. He really knows what's going on. And then this is my bag for catechis, and that's going to be full of all fruit and bananas and stuff for the ferry. Yeah. Hopefully not a bad crossing.
Hopefully not. Oh,
this is my craft bag, which I've emptied out. We have torches, we've got batteries, we've got lamps, washing line.
Because when me and Sam went travelling last year, you kindly gave us a travel clothes line and then we lost it. Yeah. Sam rigged up like massive like rope lines that we hung our washing from, which worked, but this is so much easier.
This will be for our running gear, I think, won't it?
Yeah.
It's going to run and we'll be really stinky. Toilet rolls.
We need toilet rolls.
We need toilet rolls. Little fan, and we've just got loads of toiletries and toothbrush. Yeah, just sort of essentials really. Yeah,
but
ties together.
It's all
travel wash.
Oh,
Can't get away from washing. I was trying to escape the washing. At least Henry Hoover isn't coming with us.
It's all catechism themed.
Yeah, actually it just happens to be. Yeah, sorry, but we've got to show the French some style.
And then we won't go into depth with this because it's kind of obvious, but it's just camping gear.
Sleeping bags.
I need to get the rest of my stuff from upstairs, so it's not all of it. But
brand new chairs. These are for the back, actually, for the windows to keep it cool. We've got blankets, we've got ground sheets, and that's all the essentials for going abroad, which
breathalyzers
you've got to have for France, which is breathalyzers, lamp kit changing, the GB stickers which we've got on high vis. There's a triangle, there's adapters. Yeah, it's just everything really in there.
And that's our funky pop-up tent.
And wait for it. Oh, I wanted one of these. We've got a mallet. It will come in handy for any beastie Frenchies after us, won't it, Alan? You never know, some squats and fries with that.
I think you got it because I was going to go to a festival a couple of years ago and it was cheap, easy, and we've tested it and we didn't want to invest in something big because it's not like we're professional with this, we just want to have fun. It will do the job.
For the beach.
Oh, your hat collection.
Thank you.
I like that.
And then we have this for Paris. Darling.
Although we're definitely not going anywhere.
But we're going somewhere fashionable because I have to wear it. Yeah, no, but it'll come in handy, believe me. I think it's quite hot. Yeah.
I can't really do a tour of my stuff because I haven't really packed I'm like in the process of packing my stuff tonight.
The screen wash
doing
is
that.
unicorn pink, and we got a free unicorn air freshener. Emily,
I think I'm gonna, Emily, if you're watching, I'm gonna give this to you when I next see you.
Sparkly pink. Well, it doesn't. It has got sparkles in it, but it's like so it's in the car.
Filling up the screen wash earlier, and it smells like
it smells like fruit juice.
Yeah, it smells like Ribena slightly.
Yeah,
it's really strange.
Yeah.
So maybe that would smell nice when I'm washing my screen.
Emily.
That's for you, Emily.
That's it, I think, isn't it? Oh, and then we've got, of course.
What have you got over here?
We have La French map.
Oh, cool. Okay. Yeah.
We have La French paper map, because I really like paper maps. They're really detailed.
I think you can. If ever I don't have service.
And phrasebook.
I like this. It's a Lonely Planet one, and it's actually really
It's got some really good phrases in, hasn't it? It's really cool. Yeah, it was a really good one. That was from W.H. Smith.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I did take French GCSE.
She did.
Do you remember anything? No.
No.
When I was in France last year, some of it came out, but honestly, like I don't know.
It didn't really go in, did it? I think we'll pick it up when we go there.
I think, it's easier once you're there, you just sort of pick it up and you can see the road signs.
Only fools and horses French, but they'll get it. We will.
So I think that's all we have to say right now,
the
isn't
adventure
it?
begins.
Almost.
It's just another day.
Yeah, just one more day.
It's coming quick, isn't it?
And then we set off on Wednesday.
Hopefully, not a bad ferry crossing, hopefully, because I know it's squeezy on boats, but...
This is vlog number 1 of our French road trip.
Yeah.
This time, I'm not living in a van. We're going in my tiny Mini.
Yeah. Little tent.
With a little tent, so we're doing it differently, but it's still going to be really good, isn't it?
Just hit the open road, aren't we? Just going to see where it takes us.
Yeah, basically.
Exciting.
That's all we have to say. This is vlog number 1, so stay tuned for the next vlogs and us setting off.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.